iPhone! 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 Молодец. Молодец.
Oh my goodness. My okay. Oh my goodness. I'll let him.
Did you get it?
Have you ever wondered how differently a dog treats his mum and dad? When your dog knows how to push the little boy away from the car, that's when you realize how special your dog is. Not everyone has a dog that cares about this little person.
Nope.
If they have this guardian every night, there would definitely be no nightmares. Don't worry, furry friend. Humans are just learning to swim.
Look at her again. Look at her again.
All the doggo wants is the peace and love, not the punishment. Helping mum take care of the little angel is what this adorable dog always wants to do.
Aww.
For the first time in his life, the dog fought a vacuum cleaner for a good cause, rescuing Dad. Protecting his master is something he must do at any cost. What a loyal dog.
Say your sister.
Let her sleep, Bailey.
Okay.
Puppy not only provides safety for his princess, but is also the guardian who ensures her happiness. Little boy's so worried for this tiny cutie. He's also guarded her every second and looked at her sleeping. This boy's favourite of the day is watching his human not to do something silly. Not all the heroes are humans. Because of the promise from the moment this toddler was born that he would be by his side and protect him, the dog is always loyal to that.
Nope. Nope.
This must be how the saying goes, you protected me, now I protect you. No one can hurt this little friend. Once the dog has turned on the protection mode for this newborn, no one can touch that friend.
Protegernos, ve, cuidándonos, que tú no le pongas la mano.
Protecting children is how every one of the canines should feel about it. Looking at the way Doggo takes care of the little one, it shows that protecting the owner is every dog's instinct. They deserve our love and our respect. It's incredible that the bonds between the baby and Doggo's already made before the little one's born.
Mamikas. Here you go. Okay, let's try this one more time.
It's good to have a companion to protect you and have a canine who keeps the little cutie safe.
I guess you're done, honey.
Having this guard, the little one doesn't have to be scared of the Babadook anymore. And this lovely loyal dog will put an end to this video. Thanks for watching.
Bye, bye.